Welcome back! Today we're making a light, crunchy, and flavor-packed sesame prawn and crispy rice salad. It's fresh, dairy-free, and ready in just 30 minutes. First, preheat your oven to 220 degrees Celsius. Line a tray with baking paper, place the sesame prawns on top, and bake until golden and crispy. Now for the cucumbers. Use the handle of a wooden spoon to smash them on all sides. Slice diagonally, then toss with the salad dressing and chili oil. This adds crunch, heat, and freshness. Heat a pan with olive oil spray. Press down the sushi rice into the base, cover loosely with foil, and let it cook until the bottom is golden and crisp. Flip and break into chunks to finish. Time to plate up. Add the crispy rice to a large bowl. Top with salad mix, golden sesame prawns, and spoon over the cucumber mixture. Finish with crunchy noodles from the salad kit for extra texture. And there you have it. A quick, easy, and absolutely delicious sesame prawn and crispy rice salad. Perfect for weeknights or to impress friends. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and try this recipe yourself.